All right, Aiden, we're coming up.
Hang on. Just hang on.
Yeah, just hang on.
All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to Buck's Wild Outdoors. So what you basically I had to mute the video because of music copyright issues, and I'm going to do this periodically throughout the video because there's music playing in the background.
Once you get everything set, I'm gonna make a turn. Yep.
All right, basically what I told John was once he gets everything set, I'm going to make my turn. We're trolling in the Chesapeake Bay north of the target ship. It's in between Hooper's Lighthouse, Hooper's Island Lighthouse, and the target ship. We're trolling for bluefish because we're going to be going to the Outer Banks to do some shark fishing after this trip here. So we wanted some bluefish, but later on in the video, you're going to see that we caught. We didn't catch any bluefish, but we caught something different than a bluefish, and it's phenomenal. All right, guys. So here I have to pause for mute for a large portion of this video. Since I have you guys here, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified of any new videos that come out. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button. All those things help this channel and helps with the algorithm and helps getting the videos out more. So, guys, I greatly appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. I can only do it with your help. You guys make it run. So, again, we're out here. We're fishing for bluefish. And as you see in this video right here, I'm grabbing a line for John because he has now hooked up to a cobia. And this cobia is the first keeper cobia ever to land on this boat. And I'm ecstatic. The cobia was 49 inches, and we're allowed to keep 43. So it definitely whoops John's butt here. But yeah, I'm reeling in all the lines to make sure that the fish doesn't get tangled up in those lines. On this boat, I'm obviously trolling. So with my twin motors, I only troll with one motor at a time. So I'll switch back and forth with the motors and give each one of them a break, you know, stuff like that.
Hey, Kaylin.
Yeah.
Once Flint starts reeling or driving, reel that one in. You need to keep him on this side of the boat. Net or gas? Hey, bro, he is tearing top water up.
Is it? Alright, just keep it straight, baby. Which one you need now?
That other long one.
This one here? Yep.
All right, so right now I've got John's daughter, Caitlin. She's driving the boat while we get the lines in. Well, I get the lines in, he reels the fish in. This boat is phenomenal. It's my second season with this boat. With the motors trimmed properly and up on plane, I can get about 34 knots with John, myself, and his two kids on the boat and all the gear. So, and it moves really well and it cuts really well through the waves and stuff like that. I absolutely love this boat. There's a couple different things that, you know, I would like to see different on the boat, like a place to put your tackle and everything like that. Because right now I have to bring a tackle box on board and all that stuff. And it's just a pain in the butt because I got two bait wells and a big live well and a freshwater sink. I'm sure that there could have been a spot for a tackle, but anyway, getting back to the video.
He ain't gonna like that net.
Oh, I know that. Get that right out of your way.
Bro, look.
Yeah, just keep it straight, baby.
Oh, my.
Oh, yeah. There you go, baby.
The fucking torpedo coming in here.
Well, you're actually back.
Yeah, I'm gonna back up once we.
Keep that line taut. Keep it too far.
Go left.
Hold on. Try to get him up here a little bit more.
Oh yeah, he's ready. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a keeper.
Think so?
Oh yeah. That's definitely a keeper.
All right, I'm at the fucking
Keep going. What? Oh yeah. Okay, okay.
what? We're good. Let him wear his up out.
Yeah.
Fucking hit him good. Hit him good. Oh. Woo! Yep. Yep. I'm gonna go sit the fuck down for a hot minute for it.
Did you get him on his back?
Man, he was bloody the shit out of my coat, dude.
That's a big son of a bitch.
That's a big boy.
Did the hose already come out too? It did.
Yeah, it did.
Whew. Bruh.
What is that?
That's a Cobia. What do you think?
That's a Cobia.
All right, everyone. So, as I said before, it is getting close to me winterizing the boat. I would like to get it out a couple more times before the end of the season. But as you can see, this is every time I bring it back, this is how I store it. I put the cover on it and all that stuff. This right here, I have to put this here because I get a bunch of bird nests up in the anchor hole when even if I had the anchor there, the birds would get up in there and make their nests. So I got to put that board there, and that prevents them from getting in there and making nests. Don't mind all this junk right here. Got my feeders and stuff. So obviously I got the stuff out here. I'd sprayed some of the stuff off and getting it dried. So these are Suzuki 150s. They're fantastic. I actually love these motors, and they respond very quickly. I do have to replace this housing because it's cracked right there, and yeah, so you can see how it's separated here. So but yeah, these 150s, they're really nice, really nice. I like them a lot. So name of the boat, Buck Wild. So yeah, this cover goes all the way around and encapsulates the entire boat. What I don't like is these snap buttons. I think it's more on the other side. So sometimes when wind blows real hard and these come undone, they rub against here. So if you guys have any idea, any comment, any idea on how to get this black out of this white, put it in the comments below. Let me know. I'd like to know. It's definitely worse on the other side because the wind goes this way all the time. So that side's always affected. Some of these do not button, so I have to get that figured out. It's like every other one buttons. Well, actually, I'm gonna go up in there. So
I use a ladder to get up, simply because it's a lot easier on my leg. All right, so I just went ahead and winterized the freshwater sink right here. I went ahead and drained that and put antifreeze in it. I'm getting ready to go to Myrtle Beach for a golf trip. So when I get back, I'll put antifreeze in and all the other stuff. It's not supposed to freeze anytime soon. It's supposed to get cold but not freeze. So bait well there. I have another bait well there, and then I have a large live well. When I was saying that it'd been nice to have a place for your tackle, that right there, that bait well would probably be a nice spot for your tackle. So I actually installed this. That helps, but you know, having shelves right there for your tackle, that would be really nice. But I mean, realistically, that's really the only thing I'm really complaining about. We have let's see, it's 3, 6, 7, 8 rocket launchers up there. I have 3 regular rod holders on the beam. So moving forward, up here's your VHF radio, and I have the mount here for my iPad, so that way I can use Active Captain when I'm underwater. I have 2 Garmins. I'm thinking about replacing this one with another one of these. This engine RPM gauge has gone out. It's giving me wrong readings, so I have to switch this out, and I'll do that this year. I switched out the Bose radio this year because I was getting a lot of clicking in the speakers. So I retraced all the negatives and stuff, make sure that I didn't have any background, and I didn't. I replaced the head, and that solved the problem. So fix that problem. Down here is the where I have the portable toilet and my tackle, and another chum bag I have down there as well. That's where your batteries, everything's charged. This is your electrical room. So, but obviously that's the only place that you could put a toilet. A lot of people love this area up here because it's got a long lounge seat. This is your coffin box up here, if you so wish for it to be a coffin box. I have it as a life jackets. So I have my fire extinguisher, life jacket, and all that stuff up here. Also the 2 seats for the rear. I can put extra seating in the rear if I wanted to, where the one bait well is and where the entry door is. That's where those seats go to. And then the life jackets, of course. and the fire extinguisher. The throw cushion as well. But yeah, people love this. They love being able to lay out up here and stuff like that. This right here is your anchor well. This is where you can store your anchor, and all your anchor ropes and stuff go down in there. Your chain and all that. And then obviously my FLIR is right there. For your rod storage, you have 3 spots over here and 3 spots over there. So normally I'll put my spinners over here and my trolling rods over there, and then I always have a throw ring just in case. All my tubes I have up there. So I got my large tubes there, my small tubes there. We caught the Cobia off of a large tube, and yeah. All right, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification for any new uploads, and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this channel out, guys. And I'm going to get back into getting some of these videos up, and yeah. If you guys have any questions, again, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Be safe.